And have you had an opportunity to go over the pre-sentence recommendations with Mr. Saunders?
I have, Your Honor.
Any comments before I sentence him?
Judge, I think the recommendations are accurate and fair. I have no objection to any of those recommendations. We're asking the court to adopt them.
I am going to put you on probation for a period of 6 months. It is $500 in fines and costs. You have to pay the probation costs, the state costs, the victim's fund fee, restitution to the arresting agency. I'm going to order 48 hours of community service at a nonprofit organization of your choice. I'll accept your medical marijuana card. You're to attend a level 1 alcohol program or engage in substance abuse treatment within 30 days and follow those recommendations. We're going to send you back to Huron Township to be fingerprinted, and Ms. Rapp will help you through that process. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any alcoholic beverages or non-prescription controlled substances with random drug or alcohol tests at the direction of the probation department. Do you have any comments or questions? Ms. Rapp will be able to answer everything for you.
No, ma'am, I have no questions. And if I do,
All
I'll
right, well,
contact
she'll
you.
be in touch and get you a probation order, okay?
Okay,
Perfect. All right, thank you very much and have a great day.
thank you. You too.
People versus Michael Bishop.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Bishop, Your Honor.
Mr. Bishop, same thing is set for a sentencing today. Any comments about the pre-sentence report before I sentence him?
Judge, the only thing I take issue with in the recommendation is number 7, that he needs outpatient treatment. After speaking with my client, he disputes any need for outpatient treatment. I understand the results of the need testing suggest he may have some type of need and possible inclination towards substance abuse issues. But I think at this point, he's gotten his life in order. He's straightened himself out. This was an incident, I think, that happened back in 2016, Judge. I would ask.
Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have him do an assessment, and if they follow those recommendations.
Then I have no issue with that. You understand that, Mr. Bishop, they're going to assess you, and then if they determine there's some type of need, then they'll think about putting you in some type of treatment, okay?
Okay, what would be the assessment?
Ms. Rapp will help you to give you a referral for that. I am going to put you on probation for 9 months. It's $500 in fines and costs. You have to pay the probation costs, the state costs. There are bench warrant and late fees on here, and there's a clearance for your license if you ever choose to get it back. And the victim's fund fee, you have to pay restitution to the arresting agency, serve 48 hours of community service at a nonprofit organization of your choice, get an alcohol assessment, which Ms. Rapp will help you with a referral. You're to provide a pharmacy printout within 30 days to Ms. Rapp, so we have a copy of whatever prescriptions you have. Clear any active warrants within the next couple of months. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any alcoholic beverages or non-prescription controlled substances with random drug or alcohol tests directed by the probation department. Ms. Rapp will work out everything for you and answer any questions you might have, okay?
Judge, I have a
Okay.
couple other questions though, please.
Sure.
Not about the recommendations, but with respect to money. When I talked to Mr. Bishop earlier, he said that yesterday he appeared on a felony case that was dismissed, and he had posted $500 bond on that case. Is that correct, Mr. Bishop?
Yes, sir.
And he wants to know if that money is still available for him to
I have
use.
no idea that wasn't me. That would have been Judge Martin, and I don't know what she did with the bond.
Okay. The other, well, Mr. Bishop, you'll have to contact the court about that. You should be entitled to that bond money.
Shannon,
back,
can
okay?
you look it up? Do you know what they did with the bond?
Yep, it looks like $50 was applied and $450 will be returned.
So they
Okay.
probably are
Yeah.
returning it. He doesn't have anything that he owes us, and so.
Well, that was the other thing, Judge. I guess when he was on with you before, they said something about him owing $800 or 800 and something towards to the court, and he didn't know what that was about.
Shannon, do you see that?
Yep, it looks like it's a no proof of insurance ticket and it is also a Failed to change address or registration on license ticket
But they
from,
returned the money. They didn't apply it to those files.
correct.
Okay, so he's got to do a payment plan for those other files then too.
Um, when I first addressed this,
Here.
they had insurance on they had insurance on the vehicle, and the officer couldn't find the insurance.
You're gonna have to, you can talk to Miss Rapp once she, and she can pull the files and we could take a look at them. I don't have them in front of me right now. So Shannon, make a notation that we either have to get him on a payment plan or whatever.
He's currently on a payment
Because
plan.
I've been
Oh.
making, yes.
Okay, if you're on a payment plan, you can't contest a ticket that you're on a payment plan with, and you definitely can't do it in the sentencing on another case.
Okay,
Okay?
okay.
All right, so you're all set for today. Miss Rapp will be in touch regarding your probation orders. Anything
Yes,
else,
I-
Mr. Batar?
No, Your Honor, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Miss Rapp,
You
I
too.
sent the files up, including the bench warrant on the violation.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Glick, I had muted you because you were, and you're all set, Mr. Bishop.
Okay, thank you so very much.
You're welcome. Mr. Roof, Ann Arbor versus Hudson Holmes.
Good afternoon, Judge. I apologize for that. I had to switch over to their
It's
computer. And I
fine.
think there was feedback because they were both going. It's been one
Yeah,
of
I think you're right.
the days. In any event, appearance-wise, Judge Eric Glick appearing on behalf of the plaintiff, Mr. Roof Ann Arbor LLC.
And Miss Reed, you're on behalf of the defendants.
That is correct, Your Honor.
And I granted a motion to set aside the default back in February, set this for an adjourned pretrial date. Have the parties had an opportunity to speak to each other?
Your Honor, I don't believe we've reached any agreements. I have a motion that I'm going to file.
We have not spoken. We have had the opportunity, but we have not spoken. If the court wants to put us in a breakout room, I'd be happy to speak with Ms. Reed.
All right, I will do that and then we'll go from there. Go ahead and hit join. And you had an opportunity to speak to each other?
We have, Judge. Ms. Reed is going to call her client about what we had discussed. At the same time, Ms. Reed indicated that she just returned back from vacation and didn't receive the motion that I sent by email. So I don't know if she's prepared to go ahead with the motions I filed, but maybe if she talks with her client, we'll eliminate the need for that.
Well, I mean, what I can do, and you're cutting out, your connection is terrible. I can give you an adjourned date of April the 6th at 10:15, and you can either work it out or I'll hear the motions, but at that point, does that work?
I have a motion as well, Your Honor. That would be great for me, and we can argue our motions at the same time.
Perfect. All right, so I'll adjourn it to April the 6th at 10:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, does that work, Mr. Quick?
Judge, April the 6th. No, it does not. That's that's spring break at my children's school, and we're going to be away on a college tour.
Then April the
So-
27th, which will
Can you
give
hear me,
you,
Judge?
yes, April the 27th at 10:15.
Let me just pull up my calendar. So,
Miss Reed, that gives you enough time then to file your motion too.
Yes, it's already typed. That's a good day for me.
just bear with me, Judge. I'm trying to find my calendar here. As I mentioned, I'm having some morning with technology.
That's fine.
It's been everybody. I've been cutting in and out everywhere I've been on Zoom this morning.
Okay. Oh, I was looking at May 27th. So April 27th, that's a Tuesday. I'm available, Your Honor.
10:15. All right, we'll see you then.
Thank you.
Thanks.
See you. Thank you.